Borthakur IAS Academy, an endeavor of excellence.
Borthakur IAS Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to another session of newspaper analysis at Borthakur IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparations. I hope you all are doing really well. Today we will be analyzing some of the important news from the Assam Tribune dated 25th March 2021 along with some other important news. Please like and share this video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In the description box below we have provided the link for the e-paper so that you can download it from there. And now before starting today's session, I would like to thank all the people who have so far liked and commented on this video. Apnalok hokoloke oshek dhonnobad. Moi sobore commentor reply kora nohoy. I'm extremely sorry for that. Agdinakhon video to gusi jay he karone পিছনাখন আকৌ ফ্ৰেশ ভিডিও এটা লৈ পেলাই মই আপোনালোকৰ আগলৈ আহোঁ এণ্ড সেইকাৰণে হয়তো কমেণ্টছবোৰ কেতিয়াবা ৰিপ্লাই কৰা নহয় হ'লেও মই এতিয়াৰ পৰা চেষ্টা কৰিম যাতে আপোনালোকৰ কমেণ্টছবোৰত ৰিপ্লাই কৰোঁ আৰু যদি সেইটো পচিবল নহয় কেতিয়াবা তেতিয়াহ'লে মই এনেকৈ মাজতে কেতিয়াবা এদিন সময় লৈ পেলাই আপোনালোকৰ কমেণ্টছবোৰ ৰিপ্লাই কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম ইন দিছ পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ভিডিঅ' ইয়াত নামবোৰটো নাজানো যেনেকৈ আহিছে আইডি কেইটা সো হেকেটা কেটামান নাম মোৰ চকুৰ আগত আছে এতিয়া আৰু তেওঁলোকক মই এবাৰ মেনশন কৰি দিব খুজিছো ডিজায়াৰ্ড মিক্সড টিউব থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ মাই লাভ ইণ্ডিয়া এও খুব ভালকে কনস্ট্ৰাকটিভলি কমেন্ট কৰে আৰু তেওঁৰ কিছুমান সাজেশনস মই ফলো কৰিছো মই লিখি পেলাই এতিয়া ভিডিঅ'ত কবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰো আৰু ইয়েস যোৱাকালিৰ কাৰণে মাই এপলজিজ দিল্লী ইজ নট দ্য মোষ্ট পলিউটেড সিটি অফ দ্য ৱৰ্ল্ড ইট ইজ দ্য মোষ্ট পলিউটেড capital in the world. Thank you so much for watching this video and rectifying my mistake. Thank you so much. Parikshit Kalita, Ratul Rehan, Arishmita Kalita, Ash Mamul Islam, GK Bank Guwahati, GK Bank Assam, sorry. Apnalok hokoloke oshek dhonnobad. Niva Kalita, যদি আপুনি আজি চাই আছে ভিডিওটো তেতিয়াহলে ডেসক্ৰিপচন বক্সত চাব আমি এটা লিংক প্ৰভাইড কৰো হেতু হাইলাইট কৰা থাকে আৰু সেই লিংকটো ডাউনলোড কৰিলে আপুনি আমাৰ পেপাৰখন যিখন মানে আসাম ট্ৰিবিউন পেপাৰখন এখন ডাউনলোড কৰি ল'ব পাৰিব NND thank you again for your constructive comment. Yes, I'll try to maintain my fluency আৰু মই generally बहुत tough word used to nokoro, but yes, of course I will try to use correct and efficient words. Thank you so much. Then Pranjana Bora, প্ৰত্যেক দিনাই চাব পাৰিব প্ৰত্যেক দিনা মই চেষ্টা কৰো যে ভিডিওস কেটা আপলোড কৰা হয় so thank you for your comment and every day আপুনি চাব পাৰিব Sudeep Das admissions are going on yate ami contact details dia thake so tate apunaloke call korile gom pabo classes start hoye thake amar and eketa ketaman naam asile but to each and everyone who have liked and commented and shared this video thank you so much moi asha korisu je moi eneke continue kori thakibo parim jate apunalokor karone subidha hok aru apunaloke yar pora kiba constructive results pauk amar next jitu news hoise it is regarding a new double mutant variant of the virus double mutant mane hoise eta particular virus hot same virus hot jetia dubar mutation hoy mutation means changing of the genetic sequence genetic modification in a particular body results in mutation aru viruses or khetrot random copying error over time যদি আমি দেখিবলৈ পাও এটা পার্টিকুলার ভাইরাসত that leads to mutation আৰু generally mutationৰ কাৰণে alteration of the virus's surface proteins or antigens এটো দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায় আমাৰ বডিত যেটো ইমিউন সিস্টেম হয় আমাৰ ইমিউন সিস্টেম it recognizes these antigens to fight a particular virus এতিয়া যদি মিউটেশনৰ কাৰণে এই antigens বা protein structure jodi kunba dhoroner alteration hoy tete hole how will our body react to it karon vaccination hoar pisot jodi mutation hoy aru notun variant e ahi pelai he vaccinated individual bilakok affect kore naiba agote infected hoi jwa etialoke covid ami gom paisu je covid 19 e bahut manhok affect korise bahut akranto hoise aru tar loge loge recovery hoise right deaths jiman hoise tatke besi recovery তাৰ ৰিকভাৰী ৰেটটো তাতকৈ বেছি হয় সো দোজ ৰিকভাৰ্ড পিপল পাষ্ট ইনফেকশ্যনত ভোগা মানুহবিলাকৰ যদি আকৌ নতুন ভেৰিয়েণ্টে যদি এফেক্ট কৰে দেন হোৱাট উইল বি দ্য কনচিকুৱেঞ্চেছ অফ দেট এণ্ড হাউ উইল ভেকচিনেশ্যন প্ৰচেছ ৰিয়েক্ট টু ইট কাৰণ এতিয়া আমাৰ দেশতে আমি দেখিবলৈ পাইছোঁ যে ভেকচিনেশ্যন ফেজ ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈ গৈছে এজ গ্ৰুপ ডিভাইড হৈ হৈ ভেকচিনেশ্যন ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে এণ্ড এইটো ক্ষেত্ৰত ভেকচিনেশ্যন হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত যদি নতুন মিউটেটেড ভেৰিয়েণ্ট কিছুমান আহে what will be the result of that আমি জানো COVID-19 কৰোনাৰ যেটো এটা স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ হয় প্ৰত্যেকটো নিউজ ৰিপৰ্ট বা আৰ্টিকেলতে আমি দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ যে ইট হ্যাজ সাম প্ৰোটিন স্পাইকস কিছুমান থৰ্ন নিচিনা কাইটৰ নিচিনা কিছুমান যি আমি দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ সেই ৰেড কালাৰত গ্ৰীনিশ কালাৰ দি কেতিয়াবা স্পাইকস কিছুমান দেখুৱা থাকে these are actually the proteins which try to penetrate the human cells and that's how we get infected so etia mutation double mutant eta particular virus ote jetia dubar mutation hoy tetia hole hetu double mutant variant boli koa hoy and this has been detected in India in addition to several other variants of concern VOC variants of concern mane hoise enikwa dhoroner variety of that particular one virus jetu mutation hoye beleg beleg variants paise goy aru beleg jagar pora different geographical location or pora hebur variant ahise kisuman UK pora detect hoise kisuman South African variant detect hoise along with some Brazilian lineage originally tar manhor pora infect hoi pelai yate oha বুলি এই তিনটা গ্লোবাল ভেৰিয়েন্টস অফ কনসার্ন আমি ইন্ডিয়াত পাইছো আৰু ইন্ডিয়ান যেটো টিম হয় ইন্ডিয়ান সার্স consortium on genomics they have identified these variants of concern in several states and a new double mutant variant has also been detected aru yat 771 VOCs have been detected in a total of around more than 10,000 positive samples. Next, Jitu news we say it is from the editorial section and this is regarding the hurdles which we face in vaccinating our mass. Vaccination, etia ami janu je inoculation campaigns bur soli ase in most parts of the world. India to soli ase age group loi pelai vaccination start hoise and this process in itself is a very tedious task. India is the second most populous second highest populous country of the world and tar iman besi population of gutei khinik separately vaccinate kora age group milai pelai teolokor medical history check kora kunba jodi past infected manu asile kunba covid-19 teoloke positive paisile covid positive and then they have recovered so ei gutei bilak teolokor body keneke react korise to the vaccines right so ei gutei khini check kora to in itself is a difficult task and tar logote এটা added মানে disadvantage hoise amar iman vast population ei iman entire 137 crore population ok jetia ami vaccinate korim to hei bostu tu আপোনালোকে নিজে আইডিয়া কৰিছে যে কিমান বেছি ডিফিকাল্ট আৰু কিমান বেছি ক্ৰুচিয়াল হৈ যাব আৰু তাৰ লগতে নতুন এটা হাৰ্ডল হৈছে the hesitancy among people right মানুহৰ মনত যেটো হেজিটেশন এতিয়া ডেভেলপ হৈ গৈছে আমি আগৰ নিউজ টুতে চাইছো যে it was regarding the mutant right notun modification genetic modification hoi pelai jibur variants ahise hebilake jodi beleke effect kore vaccinated manu bilakok naiba past infection thaka manu bilakok jodi vaccine beleke effect kore then what will happen many people even though iman dangor pandemic hoi goise the world has world was halted last year ami dekhisu keneke gutei amar life stop hoi goisile but even then many people are not aware of the proper news okay they don't know the consequences lockdown or homoy to teolok bor besi hojag nasile etiao nohoy and in fact vaccination jetia start hoise vaccination drive start hoise tetiao teoloke bor besi bhalke ei kotha tu na jane aru yar majote jodi kisuman ku homskar ba kisuman hesitation thake tetia hole to that adds to this hurdle right and yar logote government e nijor pinor pra kori thakilo we have to maintain our civic senses right jodi ami nije develop no jodi ami nije hojag no tetia hole we can never fight together in this particular battle right aru yar karone related vaccine related issues jothesto ase তাৰ বুজাবলে তিনটা ফ্যাক্টৰ অফ 3 C's convenience complacency and confidence এই তিনটা বহুত important convenience is regarding the availability of the vaccination to the masses keneke physical proximity vaccines khini ase na nai kiman khini manu goi pelai vaccine lobo para hoise right kiman doctors and health workers are available who can administer the vaccine properly okay hetu eta bahut dangor karon hobo pare next to hoise complacency so মই যেটো আগতে মেনশন কৰিছিলুৱে যে বহুত মানুহ ইভেন লাস্ট ইয়াৰ ইমান বেছি লকডাউন কোৱাৰেন্টাইন ইমান ধৰণৰ আমি কথা শুনিলো ইমান নতুন নতুন ওয়াৰ্ডস আমাৰ মাজত কমন হৈ গল বাট ইভেন দেন মেনি পিপল যিবোৰ অলপমান ৰুৰাল এৰিয়াৰ মানুহ হয় তেওঁলোকৰ মাজত কিন্তু সেই সেন্সিবিলিটি টু অহা নাছিলে এণ্ড ইভেন নাও দে থিংক দ্যাট দেয়াৰ পাৰ্সোনেল ৰিস্ক ইজ কোৱাইট লো বহুত মানুহে নৰ্মেল জ্বৰ সৰ্দি এনেকে হোৱা বুলি ভাবে সো দে থিংক এটো অকল বেলেগ মানুহৰে হৈছে ইয়াত আমাৰ গাঁৱত বা আমাৰ এই জায়গাখিনিত অহা নাই সেই কাৰণে এণ্ড ইভেন সিটি পিপল আই এম নট জাস্ট পিনপইণ্টিং rural area people from rural area even people from like well educated people they have I don't know what has happened but they have just started like acting very casually এতিয়া আপোনালোকে বাহিৰত ওলাই গলো দেখিব there are hardly a handful of people who are wearing masks যদি ফাইন নিদিয়ে যদি সেই বস্তুটো ফাইন নলগায় তেতিয়া হলে তেওঁলোকে মাস্কখন নিপিন্ধে ইটস নট বিকজ অফ দ্য মানি ইটস একচুয়ালি বিকজ of their health right so নিজৰ হে হজাগতাটো থাকিব লাগিব আৰু এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মাইন্ডসেট যে their personal risk is quite low এনেকুৱা মানুহ ইচ্ছা কৰিলেও হেল্প কৰিব নোৱাৰি and to gain public confidence the last C confidence public trust in the efficiency and safety of this vaccine a vaccine jetiar pra administer kora start hoise ketiar pra bahut beleg dhoroner news ahise so that has created a a kind of stir in the minds of these people right so they have tried to they tried to escape from this whole news তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ ভ্যাকসিনেশন টু মেবি তেওঁলোকৰ বৰ বেছি বিশ্বাস নাই কাৰণ দিস ইজ আ নিউ ভ্যাকসিন ৰাইট হেতু ফাৰ্স্ট কথা প্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে এটো এডমিনিস্টাৰ কৰা হৈছে সেকেন্ডলি মিউটেশনৰ কথা এভৰি সেকেন্ড ডে আমি নতুন ভেৰিয়েন্টছৰ কথা শুনি আছো সো হাউ উইল দ্য ভ্যাকসিন ৰিএক্ট টু দিস নিউ ভেৰিয়েন্টছ সো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ তিনটা C's through the convenience, complacency and confidence. 3 C's have tried to explain the issue which we are going to face, okay? The hurdles that we will be facing while vaccine distribution. There is a way forward which will in which we will have to join hands and we'll have to cooperate with the government okay and also we'll have to be updated with the news so that we can together fight this battle and return back to our normal lives next due to news hoy it is regarding a bill named the National Commission for Allied Healthcare Professions parliament has passed this bill The Lok Sabha cleared the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professional Bill 2021 and also the Rajya Sabha passed it last week and that's how it got passed. This particular bill yat duta section of health workers, health professionals or kotha koa hoise prothom hoise healthcare professional and next hoise allied health professionals. এওঁলোকৰ প্ৰফেশনাল ডিগ্ৰী আৰু ডিপ্লোমা থাকিব লাগিব এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ যেটো বিল হয় এই বিলটোৰ আন্ডাৰত তেওঁলোকে ডিসাইড কৰিছে যে দিস প্ৰফেশনালস দে শুড হ্যাভ obtained a particular degree or diploma আৰু তেওঁলোকে এই বিলখনৰ মানে সহায়ত they will provide a uniform entrance and exit examination for such services okay এটা পার্টিকুলার স্ট্যান্ডার্ড রেগুলেট করা হব তেওঁলোকৰ এডুকেশন আৰু প্র্যাকটিসৰ কাৰণে পলিসিজ কিছুমান ৰেগুলেট কৰা হব and they will also create an central register online central register for all the registered professionals jibur professional thakibo jibur technician hawk associate hawk okay scientist therapist ba jikono other professionals who are studying or conducting research work তেওঁলোকৰ স্টাডি যেটো ডিগ্ৰী ডিপ্লোমা হয় হেতু ৰেগুলাৰাইজ কৰা হ'ব তাৰ নিৰ্দিষ্ট এক্সিট আৰু এন্ট্ৰেন্স এক্সামিনেশন থাকিব online portal thakibo for those registered professionals who have undergone training and they have proper degree and diploma. Okay, etu thakibo. And after 6 months of passage of this bill, the state government will also constitute the state allied and healthcare councils. Center is eneke etu system to maintain korise, teneke state government to jikhini healthcare councils hoy, allied and healthcare council ekini teoluke nije nijor karone banai labo. The next news is regarding the permanent Indus Commission meeting, which has been held after a gap of more than 2.5 years. Okay, this particular meeting has been viewed as a process of normalizing the bilateral ties between India and Pakistan. Indus Water Treaty, Amizano, it is due to the distribution of, this treaty was signed in lines of distribution of water of Indus by the two nations in Indus and its 5 tributaries. Kun kekhon 5 tributaries? Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Okay, এই পাঁচখন tributaries or তিনিখন আমাৰ ইণ্ডিয়াত আছে, Satluj, Ravi and Bias, and বাকি দুখন Chenab and Jhelum along with a large part of Indus. Okay, it's in Pakistan. আৰু এটো এনেকে ডিভাইড কৰা হৈছে, পাকিস্তানৰ কন্ট্ৰোল থাকিব ইন্দাস, চেনাব আৰু ঝেলামৰ ওপৰত, এণ্ড ইণ্ডিয়াৰ কন্ট্ৰোল থাকিব over the rivers of Bias, Ravi and Satluj. Indus River arambhoni hoise Tibetor pra, Mansarovarer pra, then it passes through Jammu and Kashmir, Leh Ladakh side, and then finally it enters Pakistan and merges in the Arabian Sea. Aru yate eta point ase eta koru sai je which city is situated on the bank of Indus in India. Okay, Pakistan to bahut khini jaga cover hoise India, sorry, Indus one of the longest rivers hoy Pakistan, and India jikhon city hoise hekhon hoise Leh. Okay, it was just a added information asile. And along with this, as per this treaty, Indus Water Treaty, the water commissioners of Pakistan and India are required to meet twice a year and arrange technical visits to projects, sites and critical river headworks. Okay, jikhini kaam thakibo, jikhini thorok projects thakibo ei river ketar, ei concerned rivers ketar logot related, so they will have to meet twice in a year and arrange such technical visits, and both the sides share details of the water flow and the quantum of water being used under the treaty. Kiman pani keneke use hoise, so that has to be shared. Okay, that those details needs to be shared under this particular treaty. এই যেটো permanent Indus Commission hoy, it is a bilateral commission of officials from India and Pakistan, and it was created to manage the goals of the Indus Water Treaty. Indus Water Treaty jikhini goal asile hekhini jate fully implement aru maintain koribo pari, he karone a permanent Indus Commission to form kora hoisile. And according to this particular commission, India and Pakistan, they should meet at least once in a year regularly, alternately in India and Pakistan. Ei jikhon meeting jitu 2.5 years of pisot hoise, ekhon meeting according to the commission they should meet regularly at least once a year, alternately in India and also in Pakistan. A commission khonor kisman function ase, these which includes the study and report to the two governments relating to any problem, jodi kiba problem hoy, water related issues hoy, okay, developmental issues jodi kiba thake, construction of dams or any such development constructive programs, to tar study aru tar report banai pele dukhon government ote teuluke janabo lagibo. Okay, water related jodi kiba dispute arise hoy, then they have to solve, this commission is appointed to solve this kind of issues. Okay, they should arrange the technical visits to the project sites and critical river headworks. Okay, jikhini visit hobo from both the nations, on both the nations part regarding technical projects. Okay, aru critical river headworks hekhini visit khini teoluke manage koribo aru arrange koribo. Okay, once in 5 years a general tour of inspection of the rivers should be undertaken for ascertaining the facts. Iman 5 বছৰ jikhini development hoise ba disputes hoise, concern kotha kisman ase, hekhinir karone every 5 years they will conduct a general tour, and also necessary steps for implementation of the provision of this particular treaty. The next news is from the United Nations Human Rights Council. It was a resolution or a news to hoy, the resolution on promoting reconciliation and accountability and human rights in Sri Lanka. Okay, resolution high, India has abstained from this from a crucial vote on Sri Lanka's rights record at the United Nations Human Rights Council. Yar headquarter Geneva, Switzerland hoy. Okay, and something about this resolution moi koilabo ulaisu. This particular resolution gives the United Nations Human Rights Chief the mandate to collect and preserve certain evidences, okay, related to the crimes of the Sri Lankan civil war, which ended in the year 2009. Aru yat also it gives the permission to check the rights of the ethnic and the religious minorities, those who are facing problems there under the Rajapaksa administration. United Nations Human Rights Council it was reconstituted from its predecessor organization, the UN Commission on Human Rights, which will help to in order to help overcome the credibility deficit of the previous organization. Headquarter ma koisue mention korisu Geneva, Switzerland hoy, aru yar 47 members ase, and each elected member serves for a term of 3 years. We have 2 news capsules. One is related to Port Ihaula. An Indian naval ship Jalashwa arrived at this particular port as a part of Mission Sagar 4. Mission Sagar was launched in the year 2020 in May to provide COVID-19 related assistance to certain island nations of Maldives, Mauritius, Madagascar, Comoros. Okay, and this is a multi-purpose deep water port situated on the southern coast of Madagascar. And the last news is on the Uyghur, who are a predominantly Muslim community. Okay, they belong to the Turkic ethnicity and also culturally close to the Central Asian nations. China is accused of curtailing their religious and cultural rights and also putting them in certain camps to change their religion. Okay, compelling them to change their religion. And recently European Union, they have imposed sanctions on the Chinese official and entities for human rights abuses against the Uyghurs and also other Muslim minorities of the Xinjiang province. Let us have a look at the questions of today. Question number 1. Write a note on the science behind India's Green Revolution. Question number 2 is an essay topic. Water disputes between states in federal India. Number 3. Critically discuss how did colonialism influence and shape contemporary Indian society. Number 4. Himalayas are not only the physical barrier, they are also a climatic, drainage and cultural divide. Elaborate. Number 5. Examine why the evolution of peninsular river system is said to be different than that of Himalayan river systems evolution. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again tomorrow with another session of newspaper analysis only at Borthakur's IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. Till then, take care and keep learning.
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS Academy প্ৰস্তুতি আৰু অধ্যয়নৰ নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য ঠিকনা
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS Academy